In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bonus money to main account in 1xBet. The procedure will be very simple to do. Before continuing the video, I will invite you to create a 1xBet professional account by coming and clicking here to registration. Now you will come and click right down here to by email, which will be the full inscription. You will come right up to your promotional code BOTV, whereby entering this promotional code, you will get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will receive $30. Continue the video. First, you are going to come at your menu. Then, so as to do this, you are going just to realize that you can see your electronic purse here. If you have done, first of all, the first deposit of account with the promo code with a good considerable amount of money, you are just now going to come here at your electronic purse and click on it. At the level of main account, you are going to see that right down. After doing that, you are going to see now the bonus account, where you will click on that bonus account by clicking on it so as to make it your main account. And with the money that you are having there, you're going now to come at the level of popular, where you are going to place your bet on match that you know that you will win. So if I should take, for example, Nantes versus Paris Saint-Germain here, now I should click, for example, win 2 here by putting now my amount of money and clicking now on bet. And if now the match is now positive and I'm winning, I will come back at my menu here. Now I'll wait after 30 days now, so that the wager requirement should be now done, and it will be like that. It should be possible to remove now the money by coming at settings. Now by coming at settings, so as to click on withdraw from account. Now by selecting the withdraw funds or the method of payment, so as to remove my amount of money, and it is as simple as that.